The line thermal printer CTS2000 is a high-performance printer incorporating universal design concepts. It features a compact, easy-to-use design and a broad range of functions, suiting it to a wide range of applications. The appearance is very different to previous models. It has lost its cold, sterile look, and yet the design ensures that it does not exert an excessive presence. This model is based on universal design concepts, and so it is even easier to use than former models. The cover open button is slip resistant and easy to press. It releases the lock and opens the top cover in a single action. The paper drop-in structure simplifies paper loading. It has a splash-proof structure equivalent to IPX1, so it can be installed with confidence in places where water, alcohol and foodstuffs are used, such as restaurants, bars and kitchens. 4 paper roll widths can be used: 58, 60, 80 and 83 millimeters. Paper rolls with a maximum diameter of 102 millimeters can be used. The CTS2000 is the world's smallest printer able to use 102mm diameter paper rolls. A USB interface is equipped as standard. The serial and parallel interfaces are interchangeable. Thanks to the high-speed parallel interfaces, graphics can also be printed rapidly. The built-in cash drawer interface allows drawers to be connected. Printing speed has been greatly improved over previous models and enables high-speed printing of 220mm per second. The new type of auto cutter is equipped as standard and ensures rapid paper cutting. The user memory allows downloading of user-defined characters and logo data. Page mode enables greater freedom in page print layout. It is capable of 2-color printing and offers a wide range of printing options. It is also capable of barcode printing. If an error occurs, LED and buzzer indications inform you of the type of error. A wide range of functions can be selected using the operation panel, and it can be customized, matched to conditions of use. We also offer software allowing easier and more extensive customization. As the paper output is from the front and a built-in power supply is used, the printer can be installed in a small space, such as under a desk. 2 body colors are available, black and white. And now let's look at the method of operation and features of the CTS2000. First, connecting the AC power cord. When connecting the AC power cord, ensure that the printer power switch is set to off. Connect the AC power cord to the AC inlet on the rear face of the printer. Next, connecting the interface cable. With the CTS2000, the user can select 3 types of interface: serial, parallel or USB. The USB interface is equipped as standard. Serial and parallel interface boards are interchangeable. When connecting the interface cable, ensure that the printer power switch is set to off. Ensure that the orientation is correct and then insert the interface cable connector. If it can be secured, ensure that it is firmly locked in place. The CTS2000 has a built-in drawer kick-out connector allowing connection of a cash drawer. When connecting a drawer, ensure that the printer power switch is set to off. Confirm the top and bottom of the cash drawer cable connector and insert it into the cash drawer kick-out connector at the back of the printer. Screw the cash drawer's ground wire to the body of the printer. The CTS2000 can use 4 paper roll widths, 58, 60, 80 and 83 millimeters. Set the partition to the correct slots for the width of the paper roll used. Open the printer cover. When shipped from the factory, the partition is set to 80 millimeters wide paper roll position. When setting the partition to the slots for 58 or 60 millimeter paper rolls, as the slots are very close, be sure not to set the partition slanted. When using an 83 millimeter wide paper roll, remove the partition. Change the setting of paper width using the manual setting of the memory switch. The paper near end sensor position is set based on the outer diameter of the core of the paper roll used. Lightly push in the paper near end sensor unit and move it to the right and left. Insertion and replacement of the paper roll can be done very simply thanks to the paper roll drop-in structure. Open the printer cover by using the cover open button. Insert a paper roll with its print surface facing up and pull out the paper end. When the printer cover is closed, the paper will be automatically fed and cut. Previous printer models used a paper roll diameter of 83 millimeters. However, the CTS2000 can use 102 millimeter diameter paper rolls, and this greatly reduces paper replacement work. The CTS2000 is the world's smallest printer able to use 102 millimeter diameter paper rolls. Memory switch changes can be set manually or by a command. The setting can be customized, matched to the conditions of use. And now an explanation of manual setting of the memory switch. To enter the memory switch setting mode, set paper in the printer and keep the printer cover open. With the feed button pressed and held, turn the printer power on. Then press the feed button twice and close the cover. If the current settings of the memory switch are printed, the printer is now in the memory switch setting mode. As an example, here we will disable the feed and cut at TOF. The paper end auto cut function is the third item of memory switch 4. Memory switch 1 is already selected. Give the feed switch a short press 3 times, and then a long press 3 times. And the paper end feed cut item is printed. Currently, it is valid. If you give one short press, it will change to invalid. When the desired changes have been made, open the paper cover and then shut it again. The next memory switch data will be printed out. Continue to give the feed switch short pushes until the printer prints out Save to Memory. Now press the feed switch for a longer period of time. The next setting data is printed out and the memory switch mode is terminated. If this setting is not saved, the input setting will be lost. Thus, ensure that you save the new setting.